Today I discuss some important question in PostgreSQL. First question is, what is foreign key and why it's important? Foreign key is a column or set of columns that indicate the primary key of another table. It's make relationship. For example, if I create three tables like vehicles, bookings and users. In vehicles there must be vehicle id, user must be user id, and the booking system I use two rows that are user id and vehicle id. In bookings tables there makes a relationship one to many with users and vehicles. Secondly, uniqueness. In the foreign key there must be unique value that present the primary table. Second question is, what's the difference between where and having? We must reminded that where is used before grouping. Where is used mainly row-wise data. It never used aggregate functions like sum, max, min, etc. On the other hand, having is used after grouping. It used in group data. It used in aggregate functions like max, count, min, etc. In aggregate data, easily applied here. Third question is, what is primary key? What's the characteristics of primary key? Primary key is a column or set of columns that the unique value in a table. There are some characteristics in primary key. First is not null. Not null means there must be a value in a row. Uniqueness. In a table there must be primary key that is one, that never similar to another one. Immutability means in a database if we enter a value it never be changed. Fourth is, in database tables primary key is automatically entered and it impress automatically. The last question is, what's the difference between inner join and left join? We must remind it that these cases make issue when rows are included. First, focus in inner join. For example, we create two tables. In two tables there are match. The match row will return. If there are no match, the table will exclude it. It is very restrictive. On the other hand, left join will return the value of the left table plus it return the match value of right table. In right table there are no match value, it will return null. It is very inclusive. That's all for today. See you to next one.